How about them apples? The base spirit of this drink is called Calvados, which is apple brandy. Calvados is from France, but you can also use Applejack, which is made right here in the U.S., and I think it's actually the oldest spirit in the country. Like George Washington used to drink it. And basically, you want something that's apple, like an apple brandy. So I figured apples, pumpkin, fall. It's a nice combo. We're going to start off with, per drink, I don't know, maybe we're doing 2 ounces of Calvados, which, some people just sip on Calvados like a brandy. It's quite nice, actually.
It is a brandy.
It is. Brandy is a fruit-based spirit.
That's right.
Regular brandy, like cognac, is made with grapes.
Grapes.
This is made with apples. We're gonna, just because I like to balance off sweet and tart, I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice to this. Apples and lemons, an ounce each. And then yesterday I made, it's very simple. That's why they call it simple syrup. I made a cinnamon simple syrup. Basically, I've said this many times, simple syrup is half sugar, half water. Heat it up till the sugar melts. Then you can store it in the fridge in one of these little squeezy bottles.
And you can infuse it with anything.
I put a couple of cinnamon sticks, just like this, into the simple syrup. I let it steep there until it cooled, about, 45 minutes or so. Then I strained out the sticks and put it in here, and this will last, several months. So we're going to do...
well into and beyond apple season.
Yes, it will get you through apple season for sure. I'm going to do about a half an ounce of that. I don't want too much sweetness in there because the Calvados already has some nice sweetness to it. Now we're just going to add some ice to this. It's a pretty simple drink, and I think it's quite refreshing. You'll see I have a little bubbly thing I'm going to add at the end.
This is exciting.
So you put that in your ice-filled glass, and then you're going to top it with not ginger ale, but ginger beer.
Ginger beer is non-alcoholic, just to be
clear.
Yes,
it's non-alcoholic.
It's just a strong ginger ale.
Yeah, it's very, it tastes very like peppery and spicy and very gingery. Whereas, ginger ale's
a little milder.
A lot milder and sweeter.
I stand corrected.
And then we have some sliced apples here, so I'm going to garnish the drink with.
Garnish the drink. You're not garnishing.
Garnishy. I'm taking away the drink and putting it into my mouth.
Oh, you even have pumpkin straws.
I've got pumpkin-colored straws.
What?
How about them apples? Here you go now.
Pumpkin-colored straws. Boom.
Cheers.
Blow it up. Drop the apple mic.